Delight here from A Delightful Life, and I am opening another one of my boxes from Yvonne Williams and getting assaulted by my kitty cat. This is my $50 Patreon craft-along kit, and let's see if I can open it right this time. You'll hear my husband playing guitar in the background. Let's cut this bad boy open. I believe this time I'm getting one of the crystals that she mined over the summer, so I'm pretty excited about that. And now I am getting the Dealer's Choice craft-along kit. Let's see, I think, okay, this is the right side of the box. I think this is the one that opens. Yay, I got it! Oh wow, we got some stuffs. This is a lot of stuff. Let's see what this thing says. Let's see. Hey Happy Crafter, I want to start off by thanking you for your support and participation in my craft-along kits. I'm very excited to bring some new styles of clay cabochon to September's kit, as well as some genuine quartz crystal that Randy and I mined while we were in Mount Ida, Arkansas. Keep an eye out on YouTube and Patreon for the videos for this month's craft-along kits. Thank you so much for your patience. It has taken longer to ship packages out this month than we had hoped for. October's kits will be shipping promptly on the 15th though. Please feel free to join us on Discord or send me a message on Patreon if you have any questions, problems, or want to share pictures of your work. I'm on Instagram too at back_to_earth_creations. If you like Instagram, I will see you in our next video. Until then, happy crafting. I'm sorry, that was like way far out of focus there. Kitty, what are you doing? Kitty is getting into things. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. We've got some copper wire. This looks like 20 gauge, I want to say. Yeah, it's 20. And then we've got, ooh, a nice spool of Parawire in 28 gauge. I haven't tried. I've got a few, let me see if this will focus. Got a few spools of Parawire. No, it doesn't want to. I really love it, but I only have 2, and it's in gauges that I don't use very often. This one's 28 gauge, and I use 28 gauge a lot, so I'm really excited to try this one. This is in vintage bronze. And then we have 18 gauge in vintage bronze. Can't tell if that's in focus or not. And that's 7 yards. The 28 gauge is 40 yards. And this is 26 gauge, and it's 30 yards. And this is bare copper, so it matches the 20 gauge. And then, oh, we got a little bonus of earring findings and a little charm, little spiral. I love spirals, so that's perfect. You see those? I'm going to take the other 2 things out of here and move the box out of the way. Okay, then we have our crystal that was mined and finished by Yvonne and Randy, and that's gorgeous. That is as Yvonne says, a chunky crystal. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I love it. And then we have some cabochons. And these ones are a little different than her normal cabs that she sends. Ooh, that one's pretty. I remember when she made these ones. Oh wow, that came out so neat. Let me see if I can get that on camera. Focus. These are canes that she made and then rolled them out so they would like crack and stretch, and then she stamped them out of the clay. She did that on one of her live streams that I was watching. Hello, Frodo. Frodo wants to join us. And we have this one, which is like a green, a neon green, a gray, and a teal color. And then move your kitty butt. And this one is like stamped on top. Let's see if I can get that in focus. Stamped with a design, and it's like a shimmery gold and green and like a bluish teal color. It's really pretty. I don't know if the camera is actually picking it up. I am super excited about this month's Craft-A-Long kit, and so is my kitty. But I will be making something with this a lot. I am really excited to do so, and of course I will share it with you when I do. See, I'll be doing another opening when I get my Sophie and Toffee box for this month, which I'm super excited about because it's going to have dice in it. But that is all. I wanted to open this box and show you guys what was in it. And I can't wait till next month, and I'll be doing a little video of wire wrapping and see what I can come up with this stuff. Got some good stuff. And remember, I am at the $50 level, and I have the dealer's choice option. So that means whatever Yvonne wants to send, Yvonne sends. Alright, for now, me and Frodo are going to sign off. Have a lovely journey, and see you next time. Bye.